Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing, the subtle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen, the feeling of the air, cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. And I have the points for you, breath. Nothing, there is nowhere you need to be right now. Nothing you need to do except to simply be here, present with the sound of my voice, allowing it to guide you into a state of deep, receptive calm. You can notice the points of contact where your body meets the chair or the floor, feeling fully supported, fully held. And perhaps you've come here today seeking a spark, a deeper connection to that well of energy and purpose that you know on some level resides within you. You might have moments where you feel that drive, that clear sense of direction, and other moments where it seems just out of reach. And that's perfectly okay. Right now, in this moment, there is no need to search for it. There is only permission to relax, to let go, and to allow your nervous system to settle into a state of peaceful awareness. You can trust that this process is intelligent, and your own mind knows exactly how to receive these words, to integrate them in the way that serves your highest good. With your next breath, imagine you could breathe in a sense of calm certainty. And as you exhale, you could release any lingering tension about needing to force anything to happen. No. Shh. Just for now, there is no effort required. No. Shh. Only a gentle allowing. And you might begin to notice a pleasant heaviness in your limbs, a deepening sense of relaxation that spreads from the crown of your head down through your face, your jaw, your shoulders, down through your arms and into your hands. A warm, soothing wave moving down your spine, through your torso, your hips, your legs, and all the way into your feet. Now, a beautiful, heavy, comfortable relaxation. Now, side quetch trisha. And with every breath you take, you sink deeper into this state of focused inner stillness, where the voice you hear can speak directly to the deepest, wisest parts of you. No. Shh. Shh. No. Shh. Shh. From this place of deep calm, I invite you to remember a time, a specific moment in your life when you felt truly motivated. A time when you felt a clear, powerful drive to move towards something. It doesn't have to be a grand moment. It could be a simple, quiet instance of And as you recall that time, begin to step back into that experience. See what you saw then. Oh, notice the colors, the light, the details of that moment in your mind's eye. And now, listen. Hear the sounds that were present, or perhaps the sound of your own thoughts and feelings from that time. And most importantly, feel what you felt in your body. Locate that sensation of drive. Where do you feel it? Is it a warmth in your chest? Of a buzzing energy in your hands? A sense of lightness and strength in your posture? Is memorial? In modus bass for help chorus. The alignment of your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. Feel the vitality coursing through you. This is your resource state. This energy, this drive is a part of you. Quote, you can access it now. State as you feel this peak state of motivation and drive at its strongest. I invite you to create a simple, powerful anchor. At strongest, I invite you to create a simple, powerful anchor. Gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. Do it now as you are fully immersed in this feeling. Associate this specific physical touch with this entire inner experience. The vision, the sound. I am a being of focused energy and purposeful action. My inner drive is a constant, renewable force within me. Clef Soth, with every breath I take, I ignite the spark of motivation that fuels my journey. It flows where my intention is. Trothausen. It flows where my intention to go the relics so way. It flows where my intention, its light to became you. My magnet a came, it starts as a warm, glowing ember in my solar plexus, and with each heartbeat, it grows brighter, stronger, more potent. This energy is mine to direct. It flows where my intention goes. My mind is clear. My focus is laser sharp. Distractions melt away because my purpose has a gravitational pull all its own. I am magnetically drawn to actions that align with my deepest values and aspirations. Starting is becoming effortless. The first step is simply a natural expression of my inner readiness. I find joy in the process, in the very act of moving forward. Procrastination is an old pattern that is dissolving now, replaced by a new automatic rhythm of initiative. Shh. When I think of my goals, I no longer feel resistance. I feel a surge of compelling energy. Shh. This energy translates seamlessly into motion. Shh. Thought becomes action with graceful ease. Start. My motivation is self-sustaining. It feeds on small victories, on progress. Challenges are not roadblocks. They are simply contours on the path that make my progress more interesting, more strengthening. Every obstacle, my inner drive adapts, grows smarter, and finds a more ingenious way forward. I welcome difficulty because I know it forges a stronger, more resilient version of my motivated self. My energy is provided by fight and fire they add. It defied me with the positive in you. My commitment comes from love, not from force. My love the person I am becoming through consistent driven action. My goddess to every how at store louver. I wake up each day with a quiet, potent expectation of what I can move, what I can build, what I can experience. And my energy is contagious, inspiring not only myself, but the world around me in a positive ripple effect. Hunger, my nourishes, is pavashtim, not what torn, and there's dig. Every fight used to baldpreld of peeplocks in Pagapstoria, a cordiality by Thulishors and fight years. I can feel the symbiotic relationship. May other positive was might and positive, my fighty. Sitor pasictor, you accused was, sict siding. Anding be commitment Eshore because if walks to war. My subconscious mind now seeks out and creates opportunities for motivated action. Of a store starkly sicker with every rest is not the opposite of drive. It is its essential partner. And quite be right in their belief. I allow myself deep restorative pauses, knowing that they recharge my inner batteries to an even higher capacity. In the stillness, my drive integrates, becomes wiser, and plans its next beautiful expression. In the motiful expression, and now has set it for lovexnecks. In the stillness, my primary fuel is the internal fire of creation and growth. That fire is lit, set so it is burning steadily, brightly, eternally. And now, gently reactivate your anchor. A growth, press your thumb and forefinger together once more. gewürzt, quiet, and feel. All of these affirmations, all of this powerful energy come flooding back, magnified, integrated, and now a permanent part of your neurological landscape. In the motivation, the drive, the ready energy pulsing in harmony with your heartbeat. In the motivate together once more. And feel all of these affirmations, all of this powerful energy come flooding back, magnified, integrated, and now a permanent part of your neurological landscape. In the folder, the motivation, the drive, the ready energy pulsing in harmony with your heartbeat. In the power, this is your natural state. This is who you are. Release the anchor now, carrying this entire state with you. Now, in the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.